In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use story points in Jira to estimate work. Story points are a simple way to measure the relative size of work instead of guessing exact hours. They help teams estimate based on complexity, effort, and uncertainty, which usually leads to more consistent planning over time. To get started, open your Jira project and go into Project Settings. From there, select issue types or screens, depending on how your Jira project is configured. What you're checking here is whether the story points field is available on the issues your team uses. If that field is missing, your team won't be able to estimate properly, so it's worth confirming this before doing anything else. Once story points are enabled, create a user story. Click Create, choose the correct Jira project, and then select Story as the issue type. Fill in the key details, including the summary, the description, and the acceptance criteria. These details matter because good estimates depend on having a clear understanding of what the work involves. After that, click Create to save the story. Next, open the story you just created and locate the story points field. This is where you assign an estimate. When choosing a value, think about three things: the complexity of the work, the total amount of effort, and how much uncertainty is involved. A common scale teams use is 1 point for a very small task, 3 points for a small task, 5 points for a medium task, 8 points for a large task, and 13 points for a very large task. The important thing is not to treat story points like hours. They're meant to compare one piece of work to another. After that, use story points during backlog refinement. Open the backlog view and review upcoming stories with your team. As each item is discussed, talk through the effort required and update the story points field for each issue. This team discussion is important because it creates shared understanding and usually improves estimate quality. When you move into sprint planning, open the backlog again and select the stories you want to include in the sprint. Review the total number of story points in the selected work and make sure the sprint workload matches the team's capacity. This helps prevent overcommitting and keeps sprint goals realistic. Finally, track sprint progress by opening your active sprint board and monitoring completed stories. Jira reports, like the velocity chart and burn down chart, can help you see how work is progressing. You can also compare completed story points across sprints to understand delivery trends and improve future planning. And that's how to use story points in Jira to estimate work clearly and consistently.